News Avenue back with the bang. Ngitshela ukuthi sikulandela wonke umuntu ongamcabanga futhi nawe ungenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uyasitshela ukuthi ufuna sikulandele banje ngalaba kade besithubelela ama-emails ukuthi sicela usitholele uKing Somnala HQ Nala. If ungazi u-H no-Q ngizokutshela ukuthi u-H ubeleni, u-Q ubeleni, uprofessor futhi lo futhi ngikutshele ngakho ukuthi uprofessor uKing Somnala ugama uSizwe Blose. This is iNews Avenue. So khuluma about this and that and as far as ichurch nempilo nje yonke is concerned because uyamthola kwi-politics, uyamthola ku-music, uyamthola even i-production for that particular bet. Yabona ukuthi u-jack of all trades if ungayibeka
master of none.
Angibingelele King Somnala.
Ngibingelele wena mfoka Blose. My pleasure ukubala.
Wenze isikhathi ukuthi sihlangane.
Ngiyabonga nami.
Ekugcineni kwaze kwayimpumelelo. Ngiyazi ukuthi indaba yesikhathi ihleli iproblem ongcono ngiyibeke nje isaqala ukuthi isikhathi siyikika yikho kufanele athi amaXhosa ukuhlala emkholweni.
Yeah.
Ngifisa ukwazi nje sisaqala ukuthi uKing Somnala ubani iqala kuphi le ndaba enkulu ize ifike la mhlambe nje usithathe usibeke King Somnala ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uke walunguza futhi la kweChristianity ko Oasis mhlambe usithathe usibeke nje
uKing Somnala HQ Nala uSomnala igama eliqhamuka ngesingisi singathi planetologist okumuntu oyi-expert kwi-philosophy ebizwa ngokuthi planetology engumqambi wayo noma i-founder yayo. Masikhuluma-ke nge-philosophy vele sikhuluma ngokuthi we answer question of existence, in nature, we ask umthombo wento ukuthi isukaphi izibe njena, sikhuluma ngolwazi, sidila nge-purpose, sidila nge-meaning yezinto ukuthi isukaphi asikhi. This way comes labo professor be-philosophy baqhamuka kanjalo. Abantu abaningi bazi ukuthi uprofessor uzalwa e-university, uprofessor wangempela uzalwa ucwaningo lokubheka yonke into ukuthi izibe njena nje isukaphi izifike la ekhona. So who create things esikaze siyibone ngibona abantu ngibabuza ukuthi ama-philosophical kings labo bantu ababusa ngama-ideas nangama-philosophy nangama-ideologies wabo. So ngiqhamuka lapho ukuba yi-planetologist masenzela abantu bakithi ngesizulu sesithi uSomnala umuntu oyi-expert kwezokulwazi lwenala le-planetology. Inala akuyona into ethinta ukholo kuphela. Njengoba sengisho ukuthinta i-philosophy kusho ukuthi phakathi kuyona stila nalokho kuthiwa ama-ethics, ama-moral. Yini i-value yakho, yini oyaziyo, uzube lapha uzowenzani, uze kanjani, ithini incazelo yempilo, umsuka wento njengoba siyibona isikhona isuka. Thina sidila nalezo zinto ke thina abantu abangama-philosophers kakhulukazi abangama-philosopher aqhamuka through intuition nama-empirical knowledge okuyi-knowledge ongayona nje into oyicabanga umuntu avela igagule. Thina sikholelwa ukuthi uma usuyishilo into uthi uJesu wahamba phezu kwamanzi siprovele phela ukuthi uhamba kanjani umuntu phezu kwamanzi. Anything esingakwazi ukuyiprojecta siye khona siyiprove ukuthi yenzekile ngempela ngoye-archaeology nani thina ama-philosophers nama-historian asingeni ungayikhulumela nje uzukhala inyembezi. Then
ngicela kakhulu kwi-science.
Yes, in a sense,
something needs to be
in the simple way of science, to me, yes. Because many science is what I have observed, and then after observing, I experiment. In other words, and it's proven by experiment. This thing I've experimented, it works. For example, malithi Bible, abakholwayo nazi ibonakalise nobabona ngaso yabo that's a definite of article. These are speaking new tongues, laying hands, healing people. If they drink a deadly thing, they won't die. So I give you poison, you die, then I don't take your testimony or whatever you tell me. Ngaleyo nto.
Yeah.
So yeah. But let me finish where I come from.
Yeah.
So HQ nala is Hamilton Qhosha ngokwakhe. Igama la ngawanika ubaba wami. Uqhosha ngokwakhe mean the one who's proud of his own thing. Originator, umuntu okholelwa kwinto zakhe. Qhosha ngokwakhe. Then ubaba wami uBantungane nala. Owangizala ngo1962 engizala kumama uMacebekhulu unkosikazi wakhe wesibili shuthi mina ngingane yasekhohlo nginkosana yasekhohlo ubaba yena ezalwa uStetete uStetete ezalwa uhamba ezalwa konjobani umkhulu ukhokho uStetete umkhulu wami uStilimba noma uMtilimba ukhokho ozala ubaba kakhokho wami ukhokho wami uhamba umkhulu wami uStetete ubaba wami uBantungane mina Hamilton Qhosha ngokwakhe sengibala izolane engake ezu5
Yeah.
alright shuthi mina ngizolo sika5 mangisuka le kubaba kakhokho so ngazalelwa endaweni okuthiwa iKudanda
hayi Barakwana.
Okay ngizalelwe esibhedlela eBarakwana kodwa ke mangisebenzisa ilanguage eBarakwana iseGoli esibhedlela la ngadeliver khona umama wena ingane ezo9 ayizala I'm the only one wayo deliver eBarakwana ngama complication esitoli ke sempilo yami yonke esenza ukuthi ngibe lo muntu namanje osahlupha ngangivele ngihlupha ngisesiswini sika mama ngaze ngazala impilo yami ihlupha namanje ngisahlupha empilweni ngendlela eright ke ukuchallenge abantu ukuthi bangathathi izinto ejwayelekile so uma sengizeleke ngaphindela ke khona kuDanda kuthe ngo1962 so I'm sorry mina ngizalwa ngo1962 kodwa ipasi lami lizothi 1963 ngoba ipasi lami ngalithola sengimdala labuya nama mistake abantu abaningi bayazi abanye babuye bakhuyisa ipasi abanye babuye ngalithola ngo1992 ipasi sengina 30 years sengumfundisi ngishumayela ngenza yonke into sengiphethe ngisho iBible school ngingenalo ipasi yabona yami impilo ngeke uyiconfirm so 1962 ngazalwa ke ngakhula ke njengoba ngikhuluma namhlanje ngoAugust ngizobe ngithi 63 years kodwa ngoyepasi ngizobe ngithi 19 ngizobe ngithi
Ngicabanga ukuthatha.
hawu futhi ngiphila kakhulu manje uyangibona nje nawe so mase ngilapho ke enkandla ke ngasasuka ngo1968 samuvela endaweni okuthiwa iseMahuzu sisuka kuDanda
Yeah.
siphansi kwenkosi yaseMachubeni safike la ngikhule khona ke ngahlanipha khona ngoba simuve ngina 6 years
Yeah.
ukuya eMahuzu sisuka kuDanda 1968 ngakhulela lapho ke kuze kufike khona isikhathi ngiza la eThekwini siphila ke sikhuliswa umama uMacebekhulu singu 11 mase sisonke ngoba umama benengane ezu8 ayikhulisayo ayizalayo ezu3 kwezomna kwabo omdalo kuyena washona umama uMangema injalo ke impilo yami
Yawuza lo mlandi kanjani uyasitshela la uKing Somnala yazi kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bayayibuza King Somnala because kwakhona le shift le eyangena especially ngala enkolweni kwangathi uyasuka kule yobuKristu
yes
abantu abaningi bayayibuza ukuthi
ngo1985 baba ila ngamukela khona ubizo lokubizwa nje uma ngizokholwa mina kubuKristu angishunyayizwanga iBhayibheli angishunyayizwanga amaKristu
yeah
angucacise lokho it was a experienced engaqala ukuyinaka sengina 13 years izinto engangiyibona ebusuku amaphupho kunomuntu ongibizayo nevoice engibizayo engitshela izinto engingazazi mangithi ngiyayibuza abantu bengawazi ukungichazela kanti ekhaya babengitshela impilo yami ukuthi I was born with a calling ubaba wami beyinyanga umkhulu beyinyanga ukhokho beyinyanga sonke lezi ikhwama belokhu zehla sasuka kukhokho saya kumkhulu sasuka kumkhulu saya kubaba wami ngoba kwakuthiwa kubaba wami uyena ukuyozala umnini wesikhwama which was me uma ngikhula-ke bengaziwa ukuthi mina ngeke ngumsebenzi umlungu uzosebenza lokhuzana. Kwafika izwi-ke lithi kimi sengizoya eThekwini ukuthi wena ngenza umsebenzi umlungu. And I thought ukuthi kushiwo lento yobunyanga. So uma ngifika-ke la eThekwini ngaqala-ke ngaba nembono-ke manje. Ngaba nembono-ke ngiyibonayo. Ngifike eThekwini ngo-1982, ngo-1980. Imbono-ke yangibelesela kakhulu sengela eThekwini. Ekhomba ukuthi mina ngifuna-ke esontweni ngokolwazi kanginalo ngaleso sikhathi. Then I end up-ke ngifuna usizo. Ngaqala ngifuna kubafowethu. Khumbula ekhaya kethu mina umuntu wafika nento okuthiwa ukukholwa nokuthiwa ukusindiswa. Sesingabantu besintu nje. Bhaqa. So
ngoKristu.
Inkolo yobuKristu nje yaqala ngami ukuthi kube khona umfundisi kwanala, kube khona umuntu ofundile okhuluma isingisi, kube khona umuntu nje ongcono. Kwaqala ngami sasingabantu nje abangamapinca lawa angazi ukuthi to the point ukuthi kwamina esikoleni ngafunda ngokwanamhlanje ugrade R.
No.
Ngoba ngayi unyaka owodwa esikoleni ugrade R noma ugrade 1
First year.
ngagcina ufirst year ngafunda ufirst year mina ngafunda A E I O U ngagcina.
Kwakuyinto yasenkandla ngoba nomsholozi ngathi uhamba la.
Yeah, I think thina we were far away from civilization. Into enjalo sasinganawo wawazi ukuthi ufunda standard yaphi. Inkomo, ulusa inkomo. So but ubuchule bakhona. Uyambona wonke umuntu osenkandla akafundile iningi laba abavelele kodwa ubuchule izinga abakulona lokurizina. Bakwi professorship, yes. So sinjalo I think that's a glory of us because lapho imfundo wawuyithola uyifunde emakhaya. Uyifunde ngendlela ophila ngayo ama-order ama-philosophy babe nama-philosophy abaphila ngabo. So ngakhula kanjalo ke in short impilo yami engafundile ngafika ngazama ukuyifundisa hayi kwangenzeka. Kwasho ukuthi ke ngumuntu odle ngo-observer noku-analyzer eyedwa ngiyayihlupha ngolwazi. Ngafunda kakhulu.
Kwangathi uyifundisile.
Ngiyifundisile vele. Ngiyifundisile impela. Kuthe ngonyaka 1988 ngaya ngaphelezela umngane wami eBible School eyothathwa khona. Mangifika bafike babuze ngoba udumela lami lo bizo lami nezinto engangizenza ngimncane. The school could not resist ukuthi ingangithathi.
So abanye abantu babeyibona lento ekuwena or
yayisahamba nawe. Ngazalwa nayo lento hayi ngoba sengilandela ukholo. Ngoba ukholo nguluthole ngihambe ngibuza kubantu. AmaKristu they are very good to claim they know God. They're very good and one of the things engibashayela izandla ngoba ukuhlangana nobuKristu kwangikhuthaza ukufuna uNkulunkulu namaclaim akhona amakhulu angena evidence. So lokho kwangenza ukuthi ke mina njengomuntu ofuna lama claims kuwapprove ngigcine ngubona ukuthi kwabona ubuKristu ngiyabuthanda ngokuclaima bukwenza ukuthi ungamazi uNkulunkulu kusho into ongakuzoyazi. Nokhondema ezinye izinkolo ngazi ukuthi yona le right. Now kwasekufanele ngiyiprove ke lokho kuthiwa i-critical thinking ukuthi okay le nkolo ithi ngiyobeka izandla kumuntu agula aphile. Uma ngizalwa kabusha ngisidalwe esisha. uNkulunkulu uyagula yini? uNkulunkulu uyahlupheka yini? uNkulunkulu ngathola ukuthi no nayi nama claims are too much eChristianity. So this lalela ngithi ngiya kwiChristianity ngisuka kwinkolo i-traditional belief yakithi. Ithi traditional belief yakithi angihlabe, ithi angiplease abakithi bangigadile. One thing ke uma uhlakaniphila ngeke uhlale ne-traditional belief yomuntu omnyama ne-Christianity noma yena iphi religion ugcina ukholwa yizo uyofungela ethuneni ngeke akekho umuntu ongafunda iBhayibheli angaboni into erongo nescam kulona. But abantu abafunda iBhayibheli nabaclaima ukuthi abantu bayazi babalandele kungoba badla ngalo
iBhayibheli
ibusiness kubona iprofession yokungenisa imali.
Yima mfundisi kulaba bafundisi abakhona Kings Omdala.
Very strict ngoba inkinga zobufundisa ngiyifundi iphinde zingilandela.
So Kings Omdala kulamabandla angaka akho charismatic nalawa ke ethu ke njengo African Gospel Church.
Awu qhama esontweni lasekhaya.
Yeah, suka African
Gospel.
Gospel
Madoda. Kwesika baba uChelisi.
Kwesika baba uChelisi.
Awusuka madoda.
Suka lapho. manje ucabanga ukuthi le nto
amadoda aya entabeni alala abheke ezansi ethandaza engakwazi ukufunda avuka abanye abantu laba abangikhuthaza baba ukuthi ungafundi kwami kungangibambezeli qhubeka baba
kungabi problem. Ngibheke nje indaba yamabandla King Somnali ukuthi ngendlela oyibeka ngayo introduce le element yokuba ukuthi amabandla ngathi scam.
Yes, unfortunately abantu abashumayela abaningi abazi ukuthi ukukholwa kuyona lento abacanga ukuthi iyona. Ukukholwa iphilosophy ne-ideology yabantu ababezosidayisela ukukholwa besifica sinakho ukukholwa bademonize okwethu ukukholwa basifaka ukukholwa. I-Christianity kumele i-synchronism. Synchronism is when you blend religions together. You cannot uma ufunde wonke ama-religion. For example, ngokwe-religion ye-Buddhism bano-Brahma. UBrahma divided into two. Khona uBrahma oyisiqu esiwumuntu, khona uBrahma oyi-mystery ongakwazi uku-understand. Ngonkolo yobuKristu bano-Abrahama owaqala Abrahama owaqala u-Abraham. Ngonkolo ye-Hinduism kuno-Brahma, uyambona uBrahma no-Abraham. Uhlanganisani lapho. Kube no-Sara kaBrahma, umfazi kaBrahma. Angazi ukuthi uSara bani. uSara Swati. Kube no-Sara, umfazi ka-Abraham. uBrahma is a father, a source. Ngokwe-Hinduism. Abraham is a father, is a source of Jewish religion, Christianity, Islam, all these people. But come Abraham. So when you study those things, everything that you thought is truth, it falls away. For example, you study Epic of Gilgamesh. Compare that. Uzamxola, we Epic of Gilgamesh, which is about 3,000 years old. So Epic of Gilgamesh. Inozamxola, inomuntu naye kwakhulunywa naye ukuthi akho umkhumbi, inejuba elakhishwa osemkhunjini. Come on, let alone ukuthi if you study thina estudisha isingadadishela ukukhuluma nje simanufacture manje sistudyela as philosophers, we reason, we critically think. You calculate ama measurement omkhumbi kanoyo uthi ungakanani. So umkhumbi kanoyo can fit plus minus 400 people. One. You tell me ilwane njengoba zingamamiliyoni esemhlabeni zithathwa kwenye indawo kuverse 6 kuthiwa nga2, kwenye indawo kuthiwa nga3. Whatever number you take, you can't put together endlini ka300 engalayisha abantu abawu400 uhlanganise indlovu how many tons? Yabo uthatha ijirafu, uthatha inyoko uyifake phakathi, ezinye zalezi zilwane ziyadlana 420 days. Ukuthathe ukudla ozokufita kulomkhumbi futhi. Now uyabona ukuthi lapha i-mythology, but thina sayithatha siyalethwa kithi as reality.
Kodwa King Somnali babe ngabe ngoba phela izinto esibuye sifunde eBhayibhelini.
Sure.
Kuyaye kuthiwe ezinye ziyingathekiso. Engiyi-understanda kangcono kuyaye kube
yini ingathekiso? Isilinganiso.
Isilinganiso like kuthiwe kunento.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Intombi eziyishumi. Sengisho ukuthi asibheki
phakathi esontweni futhi nishaya isithembu kuthiwa inentombi ezishumi zayilinda umkhwenyana oyedwa
zazela zalala. Mhlawumbe lento isifundo sakhona ukuthi kunoma yini engase iyenzeke ayifiki uprepared.
Yabona phela siyakuthanda kodwa. Because what you are saying is an allegory story. Noma isilinganiso. Inkulumo eneqiniso elingemuva. Not to be taken literally. Therefore, that's why ngithi uma usufundile uhlakaniphile wayenza research, you will cease to take a Bible as a literal story. Because okay, ngenze nje example. IBhayibheli was written, in knowledge yeBhayibheli ukube kaNkulunkulu ngabe was not limited to the knowledge of the time. uJesu mayikhuluma ukhuluma imbudane eyikhulunywa abantu ababephila ngaleso sikhathi, imbudane yolwazi. Ake ngenze example, uJesu uthi bathi kuyobonakala ngathi usuzobuya kuyonzeka nini lokho, uthi kuyowa izinkanyezi. We know you and I izinkanyezi aziwe. kuJesu izinkanyezi ziwa engazuthi into nje ehengwe phezulu ethi. We know ukuthi izinkanyezi before ifike la emhlabeni sobe sibhubhe saphela mayingawe yodwa. Because the closest star to us is 4.5 years. The closest star. If it's ilanga, it can move for 4 years to us, as the example, will be gone. You know ukuthi ilanga lingane kune planet Earth, according to the Bible. But that's not true. We know that the sun is 13.8 billion years old. We know what humans were not instantaneous created in 1 day, in 2 days. We know that we evolved somewhere for billions of years until Sibela Sikona today. Only in the Bible, a man was created in the same day and a woman was created in the same day. Nakhona futhi if you read kahle, how in verse 3 God created what first? Light. How do you create a light without the sun? What about those planet Earth, those Earth here, those countries here, our planet Earth? Baba, kuba mnyama for 3 months, ezinye kuba mnyama for 6 months, kube semini for 3 months. Why? Because ilanga basithele kulona. uJoshua makuthiwa wamisa ilanga, we know that it's not a true knowledge.
Yeah.
So how do you believe uJoshua ethi wamisa ilanga nokuthi uJoshua wamisa ilanga libilanga lingami umhlaba ophendukayo oflathela ilanga? How do you believe your Jesus when he says izinkanyezi ziyoqathaka kube mnyama ilanga libe bomvu? How do you believe that?
Uke wamkhonza uJesu King.
Oh yes. Oh.
Naxoxaniswa yini?
No, asixabananga noJesu as a concept. Jesus is a concept of Horus, Mithras, Dionysus, is a concept of all iy'thixo zabakhona ngaphambi kwakhe. Jesus is the last hero. They put together ama-experiences. Horus ababe nama-12 disciples, bahambe emanzini, bazalwa i-virgin birth, Christmas, yonke lento. IRoma yayizakhela ifuna ukwakha isithixo, ifuna ukuhlanganisa izwe layo. So Jesus is a concept I've served him mhlambe 10 years sengilazi leli qiniso. Because I wanted to capture people, the crowd nami, because I knew that nobody would believe me, because I'm known preaching Christ. So it was like tearing apart my kingdom. So, but I think when I grew up after COVID-19, that's when I was talking online, I came up with the truth. Ukuthi vele i-COVID isikhombisile ukuthi akayikho lento esithi siyayikhonza. So I have to come out and talk the truth. Nokuthi
King Somnalo
kwakhelwe kimi.
ukhonza bani? Ukukhonza kwakho kuhamba.
Can I say something that will shock many? Ukukhonza is not locked up to God.
How?
Yeah. Because the really source, kuno God the creator, kuno God the ama-deities. And lawo ma-deities anama-ranks akhona. That's why you got to the Zulu, you got onomkhubulwane, you got obani omlenze munye, you got obani. You go to Christianity, you got God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. Nakhona lapho bathatha ama-Egyptian philosophy, ama-Babylonian philosophies. Even igama Israel is built upon these 3 gods. Is a year. Is are year. Is Isis, which is a goddess of wisdom. Ra, which is a sun god. El, which is a Elyon, strong god. Which is why when you read the Bible, uNkulunkulu wathi konkulunkulu kuthiwa i-pantheon of gods, inhlangano yonkulunkulu. Is there in the Bible? Ask yourself, why did God of Israel said ungakhonza abanye onkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami uma babengekho abanye onkulunkulu?
Ukuthi babekhona.
Oh yes.
Kodwa awukhipha umyalelo wathi
In my
ungabakhonza
view,
abantu.
what you call God of Israel created everything. He's not a creator. He's not a creator. He's a ithixo. Lokho esingathi ama-deities, onkulunkuluwana abangaphansi kwaNkulunkulu.
So King Somnala kwenzakalayo.
Can I go deeper there?
Understand nje ukuthi
I'm
Yeah.
happy. Can I go deeper? uJehova uNkulunkuluwana.
uNkulunkulu
Akuyena umdala. Akazi konke. uJesu akazi konke. Sengiprovile ukuthi wathi ama-stars will fall. Yabo? Like umkhiwane. Kusho uJesu ukuthi ama-stars will fall. Yabo? That's a lie. Uthi umbuso wakhe abanye abamila ngeke bafe bengawubonanga bembone buya umbuso waNkulunkulu establish. That is 2000 years ago. Those people all are gone dead. But in Christianity you deny that. Because ngiqhamuka khona. That's why umuntu angathi indaba ngikhuluma kakhulu ngeChristian iyona nkolo yangibamba yangiphuca ukukhole ngangikholwa ngakho ngakubona ukuthi kuyabheda yangitshela ukuthi yona i-right nayo ngayibona ukuthi awunawo iyabheda njengale ngayibishiya yomkhulu. So uNkulunkulu weBhayibheli akazi konke. I normally make an example amakhola angithukeke namanje nje uzobona ukuthi azongithuka kanjani. Kodwa nje ngifuna iqiniso. Uma uNkulunkulu azi konke, wenziwani mayifika kuAbraham ethi ngisavakashele epi eGomora. Ngithola umyalezo ukuthi abantu bakhona izono zakhona zinkulu. Ngiyakhona to prove kuyobona ukuthi kunjengoba ngitshelwana. Anti uNkulunkulu useyindaweni zonke, amehlo akhe kuzo zonke indawo, wazi konke, wazi kuzonzeka nokungakenzeki. Why did he know ukuthi bangaka abantu abakholwa yena? Mayifika lapha ubanje umkhuleko kaAbraham, umkhuleko kaAbraham uthi uma ufica abantu abawu-50 usho ukuthi uzobabulala uthi hayi mangathola 50 kusho ukuthi akazi ukuthi bakhona abawu-50 nokuthi bangaki. Uyayibona loo nto le? Uma ebala kuze kufika ku-10 uAbraham stop ku-10 kusho ukuthi uAbraham waqhubeka ukuthi wathola umuntu oyedwa according to the story wayengeke ebhubhiso. Why God doesn't know there is Lord there? How sure are you uNkulunkulu wakho umkhonza wase-African gospel weBhayibheli uyakwazi nje ukuhlela ukuthi noma kuzoqhuma ibhomu la isishaye uyakwazi ukuthi uzobanjwa inkunzi? Why ngakuthayimisi?
Angithi kufezeka imibhalo phela.
Imibhalo kaba yomuntu. Kufezeka imibhalo yomuntu. Ngeke ukuthi ubhalele uNkulunkulu uthi kufezeka umbhalo wani. I heard one of your speakers saying that ukuthi mawuthi yini kube nje nathi kufezeka umbhalo othini. Why would God owazi konke athula abafundisi bethuka igama lakhe bephinga bedlwengula ngalo bedlala ngabantu athule athi kufezeka imibhalo? Why eyibhalela into nonsense le? Same thing lento ayenza lapha eEgypt afika avala inhliziyo kaFaro ibe likhuni. Bese phinda futhi abulala ingane ezincane ashiya uFaro. Uyabona uyasangana uNkulunkulu weBhayibheli. No. It's like I want to show Bloss ukuthi strong kanjani. Kodwa uBloss ngumqinise mina inhliziyo. Ngishaya ingane zakhe ngiyibulala. Who's responsible for killing all those firstborn in Egypt? Secondly, who killed? Uwenza ubani wenza inhliziyo kaFaro belikhulu? uFaro noma uNkulunkulu? Because elinye verse lithi uFaro, elinye lithi inhlupheko zase-Egypt zazingaki? Zaziwu-10 noma zaziwu-7? You don't know. You go to the book of Psalms 68, you find ukuthi zaziwu-7. Psalms angazi bani futhi lapho 30 something. You know, my invitation is that people before they throw their inhlamba yabo ngoba iyona into ababest kuyona, especially amaKrestu. They must go and read what I'm saying. If God knows everything, akabona. Ubona kanjani uAbraham mayifika afika lale kwaAbraham adla azageze avuke ngakusasa aphelezele uAbraham engazi nokuthi kuyokwenzeka la khona uyoprova. uNkulunkulu onjani lo? Ngapha kuMoses kuthiwa akanakubona, ngapha uyabona. Ngapha uMoses kuthiwa akhuluma naye face to face kodwa futhi uthi akekho ongangibona aphila. NoJesu ngapha uthi akekho wazi uNkulunkulu ongabona uNkulunkulu aphila. What kind of a confusion? No, bafowethu. Ngebhadi lalamasonto ethu abakukhokhelayo abantu abakululekayo ukuthi njengoba ucabanga uphuphe uphuphe unambithana nentombazana ubuvuka uphalaze uhambe uyoconfess. That's how clean was our life. I know what I'm talking about. If you think I know le ingane ngina 41 years ngishumayela. Le ingane maze ngibuka ngikhuluma icabanga ukuthi ngivuka ekseni ngiyivukane nje. That's why many people think ngiqala ukushumayela ngo2013. 2013 I was bengikuphi lapho.
So yini yenza abantu balandele kangaka pho izwi likaNkuluNkulu bamlandele kangaka uJesu?
Why would izwi likaNkuluNkulu?
If no ake ngithi kusho njalo.
Okay. Okay, ake angiphendule umbuzo wakho.
Mhlambe singathini ukusaba ngendaba ya hereafter kuthi
Psychology.
ngale akithi phela into ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe u30% or 40% abantu abakholwayo kuyaye kuthi uyilungiselela indlela ukuthi bese ushonile ukwazi ukumbona bese
we're looking about 3 billion.
yabona
So 8 million, you're looking about plus minus 3 billion of people who follow Christ, Christianity.
yinda
Okay, my study, honest study, is the power of politic kingdom. It's not about religion. Christianity didn't make it and become strong. Remember, Christianity is born in Rome. Ngesikhathi uConstantine ehlanganisa amabishop awu318 ngo325 AD kuzocutshungulwa nje yabo kwacutshungulwa ngoba wayefuna ukuhlanganisa so umbuso waseRome that's why uPope namhlanje uPope is an empire is powerful mayifikile uPope kuma yonke ukwanaka lokho kuma yonke ilokhuzana aqatshule lezo eguqa phansi eqabula umhlaba kume yonke into kushintsha yonke ama program noma ngathiwa wena ubuthi uzoshutha mina la mase kufika uPope uyayishintsha lokho uyakuPope. Understand the word Roman Catholic. Roman is a place. Catholic is a universal rule. So Christianity was not brought to us as a gospel, but was brought to us to menticize us from thinking and worshiping our God. Menticide meaning killing how we reason. It was indoctrinated. Ifike nephela nencindezeli ilokhuzana iChristianity. Abantu bengasikhuluma engazi uthina sinamqobo. Kulungile sikhohlisele lapha emasontweni abantu bethu vele bayathanda nama ngikhuluma abantu bami bahlanya noma bangephetha ngithi.
So amasonto indawo yokwenza imali.
Akuyona indawo yokwenza imali. Into yokukulutha yokuprogram ukuthi ucabanga kanjani ngoNkulunkulu nangokudalwa komhlaba noma ngabe ufundile kanjani uyazi ukuthi umhlaba awukho 6000 years old but mawufika esontweni uyakukhumula lokho uthi umhlaba una 6000 years counting from the account of the Bible. That cannot be proven. Archaeology cannot be proven. Historical, it's not a historical book. It's a theological book. It's a textbook that is meant to motivate and encourage people and allow you to think widely. But at the same time, bisikufaka la umuntu ayicabangela yena ezama ukufika la ukuthi kwaqala kanjani izinto. Akekho umuntu ofunda iscience oyazi ukuthi knowledge yangampela isho ukuthini ongathi in the beginning God created heaven. Who was observing when he was creating? Yabo?
Kodwa awucabanga ukuthi ibuzo yabele size sihluphekayo.
Exactly. That's mina ke uyamazi umuntu okuthiwa Spearness wayena 25 years eshumela lamaqinise ngwashumela. That guy he died 44 years because he was cursed by a religious group and he was told nobody should for Cupid come closer to him because he's dangerous. He's challenging the Bible. Ngiright ukuthi ngingazihluphi ukuthi umhlaba mina ngihluphi ukuthi umhlaba waqala kanjani ngeke ngizwe ukuthi ubani umuntu oqala ngoba akekho waziyo yabo akekho wazi
uyakholwa kodwa izinto eziseBhayibhelini.
No, I don't believe them.
So uKing Somnala no
I believe izinto eziseBhayibhelini mina izinto eziseBhayibhelini ngithatha njenge novel baba njenge novel engingafunda kuyo kuhle noma yipi incwadi yomuntu omotivateayo mina rather than ukuthi ngimotivate ngijahe iBhayibheli ngayilalela uZondo lapho ukhosini. He's a very good motivational speaker ongenza futhi ukhuluma into engiyiphilayo engizibonayo nami. Unoma ngihlupha ukulanda. Okay, ake ngichaze uNkulunkulu.
Okulalele noDube yabona.
uDube ba.
Pastor Dube, uVusi Dube, uBishop man.
Ngibuyisele emva ke futhi lapho. Mina ngikhuluma ngoZondo. Umuntu omotivateayo abantu.
Yeah.
I would rather go Simphiwe Shemba ngiyolalela ama-comedy akho nokulalela umfundisi. Honestly, ngikhuluma iqiniso. I would rather go kwaShemba ngiyolalela inganekwane zakwaShemba kunokulalela inganekwane engakwazi ukutressa nokuthi umuntu wakhona ubani ukhazini osekhona iphi insimi yakubo iphi indlu yakubo. I would rather do that. I would rather go worship abakithi abangasekho ubaba wami ngoba ngiyamazi wayekhona kunokukhonza the history of the Bible. Let me define uNkulunkulu ngesingamba.
Yeah.
Kimina uNkulunkulu ungongaziwa. Ungamandla, a source that is responsible for everything that exists. From whom, that is God, source. Everything evolved from him. I believe in things they evolve somewhere. They keep on changing. Ngoba umhlaba uyakhula, uya-expand. Indawo yayiseduze ukutravela namhlanje sikude. Because umhlaba is proven ukuthi uya-expand. It's no longer the same. That's why kuhlala kube khona ukuqhekeka komhlaba phakathi. Because umhlaba uya-expand. So I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungongaziwa nongena kubona akanahlo akanangalo uyikho konke esiyikho nesinakho ukuthina sonke njengabantu ngamunye kodwa yena angeke abe umuntu is not a being. He cannot sit on the throne. He cannot have ilokhuzana. I believe a human created God in the likeness of a human, not God created a man in the likeness of man.
Kanti uJesu
Ngayiqedela le kaNkulunkulu uqala.
awuthi ngicela ukukhotha one.
Uzongikhothela baba.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukuthi singayishiyi ngoba bese sizayishiya. So ngokwami uNkulunkulu ungumthombo. Uyabona abantu abaningi abawazi umthombo. Umthombo akuwona amanzi aphuma emthonjeni. Umthombo akuyona futhi imbobo la kuphuma khona amanzi. Umthombo isisusa salamanzi lasuka khona amanzi ezekuthina. Yeyizwa leyo. NoNkulunkulu njalo ke akekho umuntu ongahlala achaza uNkulunkulu. The best way of defining God ukuthi ikupha ngeyikho. Rather than ukuthi uyini. uNkulunkulu fanele simchaza ukuthi is beyond human comprehension. Yabo. Mawuthi ukhuluma uNkulunkulu nolaka lesikhwele ongathanda uthanda umfazi okakhulu kimina ukhuluma ngedeity. Yini deity? Is these super beings, these powers are spiritual angabonakali asebenza kuthina sonke. Yiwo lawo abantu abathwele abasebenzisa amandla athile kulama deities bawathatha khona, whether they good or they bad. It's a battle of these beings. Yana lento othi mawulele wembulela into ethile noma abantu bezizwe. Ake ngiwenzele example. Khona amaKristu azwizwe. Uyabombona lo muntu noma ekhuluma ethe uJesu uyabuya ngomhla kabani. Ngaqala 1917 or 1817 angisakhumbula. Qala umuntu oqala ukuprofit ukuthi uzwe kahle. Umbona ukuthi lo muntu anganqunywa ngisho ukunqunywa lento ayikhulumayo. That person is not lying. He had a voice, but he thought is what he's believing. Remember, if you believe that Jesus, he is what you think he is, you are not believing the truth. That's why there will never be Jesus coming back. Ngabeki imali phansi. There will never be Jesus coming back. If you want to know the scam, iscam ukuthi ngithi mina njoba sihleli la ngithi akekho abanye bethu la endlini ngeke bafe. Kuphele 2000 years sengifile kufe mina kuqali nabanye bafe ngingabonakali futhi ngibuye. That's a scam.
bathi uyabuya nje ujesu seqalile nokuyibonakala
kukangaki nje sitshela ukuthi uyabuya ngo-2001 uyabuya ngo-2017 awukho unyaka phela kungashiwanga ukuthi ujesu uyabuya kuvela abefundisi manjena nje kade o-enigma obani nobani bavele bayishintshe. Uyabona into ebulala amakhole lento okuthiwa yi-interpretation. Who's got the power to interpret what is said if it's a word of God? Why do you interpret izwi kaNkulunkulu wena? How do we trust? Uzongihlulela kanjani mina mangifeba ngithi mina uyihumushi kahle ayisho ukufeba lokho. Yebo? So indaba yeBhayibheli inganekwane futhi abelungu abasiqhatha ngayo sixabene sodwa sizondana nje iwisdom enginayo la baba. Izinto engizakhile nginongafundi. Nginesikole sami. Ngine-app yami. Ebukwa abantu bamazwe abakithi abayibuki. Nginapha 3 million wabantu bangaphandle abasubscribe kwi-app yami nawe uyazi nje. Yabo? Ngilesikole sami mina ngisakhile esiyi-top class sigcina kubani ku-matric. Njengamanje ngilungisela ukwakha i-varsity yami ngifundisa iphilosophy yami. I've been honored so many times. Ngaze ngathi wow iziqu zobudokotela iziqu zoprofessor. Yabo? Kubantu abarizina outside the spheres of religion. The day abantu bakithi sabuka umuntu sangambuka ngokwe-religion. That's why ngafuna ukubizwa ngumfundisi because mawuthi nge-religion mawuthi ngumfundisi uthi umuntu wakashamba kangezi kimi. Uthi umuntu ongumKristu akangezi kimi. Kanti uma ungayena umfundisi uyinyanga noma uyisangoma noma udokotela amaKristu ayezwa kuwe angamananyenye bahlale befika labanye bathi ungasishuthi baba ungazivisi ukuthi sifikile. Kufika befundisi la bezolanda amandla. Abanye bangizwe ngikhuluma laphana nje kwi-show yami ngithi ngithwele. Kwasuka befundisi le kude ngeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi. Asebavale phelelwa ibandla bathi bazofuna ukuthwala. I have them on record. Uma bengiphikisa I can show you nangu uyasho noma ngudlalile auto uthi baba ngilindelwe noma yini ngamtshela ngathi ukuthwala okwabantu abahlulekile ukuthwala. Okwezehluleki ehlulwe impilo ehlulwe kuba nama-ideas ehlulwe ku-developers bayikhulisa impilo yakho bakhe ibhizinisi babona ukuthi bazondla kanjani bese beyofuna outside power. So lawo mandla-ke lawo ama-deities lawo baba okuyiwona aphawulisha abantu ikhona into okuthiwa i-supernatural power because mina ngisebenza ngayo nginamandla mina. What I call now uGod of plenty khona uGod of plenty is-source lo kimina not necessarily God of plenty. Is a God who is a source, who is a creator, who create yonke into ongekaziyo. Lo uNkulunkulu ingxenye yakhe kuwe nakuwe. Bese kuba khona these people who represent power. Angithi uyabona makunogesi la endlini. Kunendawo ethile power box. Kunendawo ethile la endaweni futhi la kuyi-power house khona. Awafani. Ama-satellite khona amakhulu khona amancane. Kunjalo-ke nasezweni kamoya.
Ungubani uKing Somnala?
uKing Somnala inkosi yesizwe Somnala is a spiritual philosopher and spiritual king. Umqali wendlela yobunala into okuthiwa ubunala namhlanje sinento okuthiwa i-plant theology ungangena nje ku-Google namhlanje uthi ni plant theology bazokufundela. Just say plant theology PLENTIOLOGY. Manje umuntu njengoba ngikhuluma nje angayigooglish ayithole bazokutshela ukuthi ubani umqali wayo bazokutshela ukuthi I created a new field kweze philosophy.
So abantu bakhonza wena.
Yes, le system yami. Kwesikhathi masikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu sikhuluma ngesystem. I-system can be a philosophy, can be ideology, can be theology.
Ubuye ube yiprofeti.
Oracle. I allow people to say prophet because it's my profession. People in the market, I use prophet in the market because when I'm sitting here in my office, Tuesday, Thursday,
wawazi ukuthi kuzoba nedube kuzoba ne-COVID kuzoba ne.
Oh yes, I prophesied that. I'm on record on that one. I prophesy izinto ezaziwayo eSouth Africa ngayiprophesya ilokuzana i-recession.
Yeah.
I prophesy uZuma ukuthi uzoluwina icala uzoba president kungekho lokho uzana waba uyena ngaprophesy ukuthi uZuma nje bese winile uNkulunkulu wabuye wangitshela ukuthi angumtshela ukuthi angayithatha i-second term.
akukhona ukulandela kwakho ipolitiki lokho not desire ukuthi kwadinga ukuthi
Angilandela ipolitiki ngiyona. But let me explain first. Ngasho ukuthi uZuma akangayithatha i-second term. I did all I can. Ufakazi wami umfazi wakho uZuma omunye wayisonta la kimi. Ngayithatha second term because my second term he will strip off his glory and he won't finish a term, he will be recalled. That happened exactly njengoba ngangishilo. I'm on record, you can go online and see that. I've prophesied izinto enjengo-recession, I prophesy i-COVID-19 ngayiprophesye ngo-March izoqala ngo-December. Ngavuka na ekuseni ngangiye ePhayintana enkonzweni kwangolwesithathu. Ngabona usizo lwasemhlabeni ngangikhala. Kwakufika unkosikazi wami lokadela nani uMamhlongo okuyena ophethe ihhovisi lami. Ngamtshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungikhombiseni ngibone kwenzekani. Ngafika lapha you can go online and search for that, is there. Ngasho ukuthi ngibone kwenzekani eSouth Africa. Mangisophongolo, that was early December, ngabo 6 December early. I prophesy ukuthi kuzofika isifo esingazukulapheka. Ngakhipha into okuthiwa uvala ingozi. Uvala ingozi is where I protect people makukhona into ezokwenzeka esile mhlawumbe kuziyingozi kuzisifo esithile ngangikhipha igubhu engabantu behleka. And on record kunomama wafone eredweni lalapha engivuma ngoba abantu ababegcwele holo babezobheka lo mprofiti wamanga. Bathuka indlela engafika ngakhuluma ngayo. December 19 yaqala phesha eChina lento.
COVID.
Now you hear people say khona abaprofiti bamanga abaprofita ngani. We prophesy thing, it's just that ukuthi asince kokuma mainline media spread our message vele noma singayisho kuzothiwa si scam. Yabo? Even namanje na mina baba go back ku 2008-9 I told South Africa ngiphetha amandla okuzophuphisa uMashayabhuqa othiwa ingculaza. I'm a first man of God to announce and call people with AIDS and heal them literally until today. Khona ishow yami le edlala ku TV. Bafika bazotesta abantu. Baphuma ama result ethi negative. Abantu abakuwe heal ngo-2013. Negative. Abazange bayidlale kwisho. Babe positive. Abazange bayidlale babuza ukuthi usazi ngani ukuthi wathamba niye esibhedlela la ngangihamba khona ngikhulelwe la ngayekiswa khona amalokhuzana ngoba sengiphuza amanzi ngababunana. Uyibona lento, but still today kuneyingane ezisho njalo. ODlomo, I've challenged them. uDlomo uhulumeni waseSouth Africa, I've challenged them. We had a meeting emhlangano lapho ngo-2014 January. We had a meeting. So I said go and research if I did anything to lie to say abantu they were healed to me. I had over 100 people proven. Mina ngikhuluma ngomuntu okuthiwa positive phinde kuthiwa negative after drinking fat water. One of the lies kwathiwa mina ngithe abantu abayeka ama-ARV. In all my preaching pre 2013, after 2013, you will not find me saying to people don't eat. Mina, I'm a professional consultant. Ngiphilisa abantu literally. Ngibafundisa ukudla right, ngibafundisa ukuthi baye kudokotela uma ifika la kimi umuntu ephethwe into enye engakwazi ukuyithola yini. Ngimthumela kudokotela. Bese ngumtshela futhi ukuthi ungayeki ukudla iprescription kadokotela until yena udokotela othe yidle usuyilokhu uzini. That's how people they will know ukuthi umuntu ophilisa ngempela wenze njalo. Ungavumi ukuye enyangeni ukuya kumthandazo ozothi yeka lento. Okay, mina I discover ukuthi amaphilisi abantu after 4-5 years bavuvukala inyawo abadla amaphilisi e-diabetic bayagula baphathwa amakhanda baphathwa izinto ethile. I can tell you mina ngumbuko umuntu emahlweni ngendlela sengisebenze ngayo nabantu abagulayo. Abanye baze bacabanga ukuthi ngiyabaprofit. Ngisuka ngabaprofit i-experience.
Mina ngiphethwe
awuphethwe lutho umuntu uyayibona ukuthi umhle kanjani. Listen, ngiqonda ukuthini baba? Ukhona umuntu ogulayo. Wonke umuntu will be something emzimbeni wakhe. Kwesikhathi uvuke kuyilokhu nalokhu. Mina ngikhuluma ngomuntu ogulayo one-chronic disease eserious usamdodela ngikutshela. Ngibuka amehlo wakho ngibuka inzipho zakho ukuthi izinso zakho ingcolile. Yabo? I have learned that. I mean, iphuze engilezayo lithi baba. People of our people abastophe ukungabaza into abangayiresearchile uku-assume ukuthi onala iscam uzwe ngabantu ngami la bantu abakhuluma wakambona wena umuntu ohambe nami ngisho ophumilela ebandleni athi ayikho le nto kanalo kuphilisa abantu thatha oncanana thatha omabaso mina ngikhuluma ngabantu abaphumela kimi uthatha ibodyguard leke lahamba nami ubuze ukuthi unalo uthwele nomuntu awusebenzisayo unaso iscam ngeke uthola ngisho ngasekho ebandleni lami ungasangifuni kodwa ngeke akutshele ukuthi lento engiyikhulumayo elona iqiniso because amanga nami into embili engahle
Ngosi kwasuka umsindo ngalento yamanzi.
thatha ulungu uyabona uma ufuna ukwazi ukuthi mina ngiperforma kanjani hamba thatha ulungu M uyambona ulungu M uyiChristian mina ngilona Christian asivumelani naye kodwa hamba umbuzo ukuthi unala ukwambona neperforma America okutshela ulungu ukuthi unala wavusa umuntu amathumbe engaphandle icancer ephethwe igubhe empili za number 1 no number 2 ngimvimba babephila abantu kuline ongaka bezofakaza mina ngishaya lento okuthiwa ama instant miracle hayi lento yokudlala ukuthandazela umuntu kupheliso mina mawungena ku wheelchair usukuma ku wheelchair now I'm not claiming wonke umuntu but I got a big number mhlambe 60% of abantu abasuke beze kimi uyaphila yes ngishaya lento ulungu M watt kimi umuntu ulele phansi lapho uthwele unuka indlu yonke ngamvusa sesalelwe 2 months to live ngamvusa sukuma uhamba endlini ngamqeda insuku I know the power of God
Uyaphila namanje.
ushone after 3 years
Ewasindazi besomlana.
uyazi ukuthi hayi ngakulandela ke abe cancer
Azofakaza.
ukhona umama nje obedlala kulokhuzana wami uphilile nyaba ngamthandazela icancer esebola ibele
Eku stage ba.
I don't know actually cancer umfana la ekhaya uzongayizwa leyo thema mina ngikhuluma ngabantu abangasekho mina ngilandela umuntu noma imuphi umfunayo ngithi akuphathela ama record akwadokotela akulandela mina ingane eyayisihamba idialysis for 3 years bathi ishutheni izithombe niyenze yonke into mhlawumbe kuyinhlelo zami kwi-TV ihlala ithi angina cancer mina babunani leyo ngane iyaphiliswa hayi nokuthi mina ama product ami emnambithe office lami so igeme makukhulunywa ke ngama miracle I know what he's talking about do you think I can explain that no kimina kwabakhona ivoice elithi if you can explain miracles it ceases to be a miracle
So kushuthi unepower.
ayona nginayo mfana
Uyithole kuba uNkulunkulu.
uGod of plenty
God of plenty.
yes
Ngayazi.
the one who reveal himself I believe uNkulunkulu ofanele umlandele ilo zembuleko ingakho ngabatshela mina ngisho lungi M ukuthi msana ukulwa noma gejageja nina nihamba ngetheory ulungi ukukholelwa kumandla wakubona kimi nihamba ngetheory noma gejageja uhamba ngeexperience njengami you can't argue with me because anything oyishoyo kimi ufana ukuthi uyasuza nje ngoba lento oyishoyo uphikisana nalento mina engiyenzile ufana nabantu bami abaphiliswe yimi bakubuka uhlanya nje yabo I told people I prophesy interestingly hamlanda uLinda Spear 2017 2018 professor uLinda Spear kwaku March I said Linda Spear ngibona kuyi radio iTV kodwa simultaneous ukwenza kwenzeka into enjengaleyo na uLinda Spear as a figure ye radio ngangikhombisa ama podcast engakabikho ngathi into engididayo kuyi radio lento mangiyibuka kodwa futhi iTV
Yeah.
qu yaqala lento
Nama podcast.
ama podcast agcwele umhlaba wonke ngathi kuyona leyo prophecy ngathi kuze isikhathi la kuye university will be a waste of time because knowledge will be full online there will be no need kuye university nangu mina ngiyabona never been in university
So we question ukuthi education is not the only key to success or is no longer a key to success.
Education is one of the key to success or that can help you to your success but really success is your idea how much you can develop ideas how many jobs that I've created for people who are more educated than me even my kids osesikoleni osenonyaka embili esikoleni uyangidlula ngokwe-formal education but no human being engimaziyo or exist emhlabeni ongangidlula Professor be what no No.
kusho ukuthi uKing Somnalo uyahambisana nento eqhamuka ne-CRA lokuthi akube nomthetho ozolawula amabandla.
When I was a religious person, I fought that. Because I knew what was I fighting. Number one, uregulator kwamabandla kusho ukuthi awukwazi ukuphuma namhlanje kimi. Yes. Mina ngithi amabandla waregulator. Futhi uma uphuma la kimi, awukwazi ukuphuma la uyoqala ibandla la. Phinde uthatha abantu abasuka la. Okokuqala lokho. Okwesibili, awukwazi ukumukela imali engaka esontweni wonke umuntu uma emukela imali yakho i-tax wena ungayikhokhi.
Yeah.
Alikwazi ibandla ukuqoqa ama-million bese kuthiwa lawo ma-million si-contribute ezweni ibandla kufanele contribute bese kuthiwa ibandla linga-contribute kwi-economy yezwe libe liqoqa imali kubantu ngoba zonke iy'nhlangano amabhizinisi mina ngiyasebenza la. Njengoba ngisebenza nje la.
Uyayikhokha i-tax.
Yes, kunama-registered companies that pay tax to the government. Uma ngayikhokhile i-tax, ngiba ngikweleta uSARS. Because uSARS unendlela-ke yakhe enye mina engihambisani nayo. Kodwa I'm saying ngoba kusemthethweni siphila sonke phansi kwe-constitution why amabandla wona engaregulator ngoba even amabandla vela for a non-profit making organization. But even non-profit making organization, they account. Phesheya amabandla 60% wamabandla uvaliwe phesheya big churches even that on COVID ngaprofit ngathi isikhathi samabandla amakhulu isikhathi secrowd enkulu siphelile mina bengikhonza online namhlanje ngikhonza online. I'm more powerful online esontweni ngiyakanye ngenyanga mhlambe kungayi kuphela u3 months ngokwami ngaba ngisena sonto kodwa ngenxa ukuthi nabalandeli abaningi nabantu abaqhamuka kulento sizalelwe kuyo akufanele vele uthi hluthu. Kube kuya ngami structure kuthiwa isonto kabe siya dissolve because it's the worst thing that has ever happened in the world.
Yo, namhlanje bese kulandele uKing Somnala ngicabanga ukuthi uKing Somnala unama-products akhona la atholakalayo bofuna ukuphila King Somnala.
Sure.
Akhona la.
Angusabi ke lokho.
Kodwa
ngiphilisa ngokukamoya baba ngiphilisa ngokukamoya. Ngiphilisa ngokwezihlahla zemvelo. Remember, I don't use medicine, I don't use umuthi. No.
So how do you cope with 9 wives?
Ngicela siqedele le yokuphila kwabantu ngoba le yabafazi is more private life. Let's talk about recently have you seen what I've introduced? Policy inhlungu therapy. You know what I do there? I literally ngifuna umuntu onepain namanje umuntu ongilalela onepain you can come book to my office. Mina ngikhuluma ukuthi uyophuma engasekho
Yonke inhlobo.
Khuluma umuntu ofika la endlini ene prostate cancer engakwazi ukuhamba. Khuluma ngomuntu osuke engakwazi ukuhlala phansi enesilonda ezinqeni nangaphambili. We have seen them on TV uma ukuthi uyayilandela inhlelo zami. Heal them completely. Kade ngisehluhluwe. More than 10 people stood up bebabazi ukuthi akaze bayibona into enje. Na ngikhuluma ngetechnology angikhulumi manje ke ngenkolo yami ngokuthi ukukholwa ngikhuluma mina ngento engiyigaranta ukuthi lento izofika iqede inhlungu. Khuluma ngomshini engithi mawufika la ngizofike ngufakela amanzi akho nginomshini okupurify amanzi. I'm very practical.
So
uma uza kimi futhi ungezi kimi uzongibona once. Angiyena umprofit phela mina I don't have magic. Mina ngidila nempilo. Kusuka manje uma unoshukela. Akekho umuntu ongakuthandazela unoshukela ube once off. Uyadlala.
Kuthiwa ulapheki nje.
Ayikho into enjalo unganitshela wayimina. Mina I started to kuzelapha senginama symptoms zonke kashukela. Khona la ngangichama khona igazi ngafika kudokotela wathwala izandla wathi wena lokhuzana. I went and sit down. Nga research. Ngaqala ngavuka lento okuthiwa iSomnala's healthy lifestyle. Kushuthi udla kanjani ngafunda nje ukuthi umzimba wami unjani kufanele ngidle kanjani kuze yini ingozi yini ebanga ushukela uzalwa nawo ushukela uaccumulator nge lifestyle indlela odla ngayo, indlela ocabanga ngayo, indlela olala ngayo, o-accumulate zonke lezi zifo ngazo. Yikho mina ngingakholelwa labo minister bethu abane-diabetic ukuthi uminister uba diabetic kanjani, uminister of health. Akuyena uminister of health lo, minister of sickness.
Phela ngithi no type 1, type 2, khona uzalwa nawo, khona ungazalwa.
Ayikho into enjalo.
Khona we-lifestyle, khona we...
Uyazi ukuthi indaba uzalwe nawe wena. Ingoba uma wakhe indlela ebedla ngayo. That's why mina wami umfazi uhlala ekhaya. Angifuna lokho eyakodokotela ngoba odokotela bona bafike bakufaka ekhanda. But bakhuphula iBP bona bakutshela into engekho bathi lengane ngeke ilunga. Uma iqeda ukuzalwa yami ingane ijova makufanele iphume esibhedlela iyagcina lelo la ukujova. Nengane ezinonyaka engayazi indaba yokugoma. Ngoba ngigoma ekitchen kwami. Goma kwami. So all these diseases that we have, we pay money, a lot of money to acquire them into our body.
We land up, President.
One, khona ihlahla la emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu wasinika zona. Wafaka carrot into engasiza amehlo akho, wafaka kuyilanga vitamin D that is responsible for testosterone. Number 2, enye into enigulisa ukuba nomfazi oyedwa. Ukana umfazi una 20 something una 30. Nikhula naye lo mfazi niyalingana. Umfazi mayethi 50 usengamonopause la ko 55. Wena usaqhubeka mina ngina 63. Yabo? Umfazi engadivorce naye ukumonopause already. Yabo? Manje kunoma koti aba no 20 bani. 25, 24, 30. Yeah. Ngoba mina ngikholelwa ukuthi uma ngikhule emakhaya kwakuthiwa kunendlu yokugugela. Ubona niguga kanye nabafazi nje, uguga kanjani indoda kanye nomfazi ngisho empedeni? Guga kanjani? Kugisa ukuthi wena iscience isiprovile ukuthi indoda at least fanele irelieve ngokocansi 21 noma ku 20 ngenyanga enyangeni. That's why yayiphi cancer. Nokudla ke nokudlayo. Abana abafana badla izinkwa, bedla amagwinya, bedla ojeqe, bedla ophuthu, rice. Mina ngiludla nje iphuthu no rice. Ngilidla mangihambile ngisemcimbini. Lezi zinto zayidliwe emcimbini makhanjiwe.
Hey. Ngiyazela ungasilandela emapejini ezokuxhumana lapha na News Avenue, usilandele, usifollowe, ucommente futhi ngicabanga ukuthi izophuma soon and very soon episode ene King Somnala and uyizwile ukuthi iya educator. That is why mhlambe abantu abaka njengo King Somnala sibalanda la News Avenue because siyafuna ukuzwa lolu uhlangothi akithi. Bayasibalansise Somnala ukuthi kungabe uhlangothi olodwa lamaKristu, you understand that, and then manje kube sengathi ngine monopoly kaNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi wabaKristu kuphela. Ngicabanga ukuthi into evulelekile
mina ngikuthandiswa lokho uhlelo leni. You call different people interesting, like listen to everybody. Because mina ngokwami wonke umuntu uthisha kimi, nami nguthisha kimi. So I allow myself to be a student of even umuntu wenza into stupid ngiyafunda kuyena. So the minute uvala ukuthi ngeke ngizwe mina ngomuntu, the minute uvala ukuthi ngeke ngizwe ngomuntu okuthi nokuthi, uzivalela amathuba. Umqondo wakho ungawutshela ukuthi usuyazi because enye into edinwa abantu noma sesikhuluma amaqiniso kanjani siwaprove baba. Yazi badinwa yini? Badinwa ukuthi uqale wasi-undermine. Wayitshela ukuthi ayikho into engashow nala. Uma esebona unala ephilisa abantu, hayi unala uthwele. Okay, mina sengavuma umuntu mathi ngithwele. Vele ngithwele amandla. Kodwa okwakho wena ukuthi uthi ngithwele kanjani? Mina ngithwele ngoba nginamandla, abantu abanenkinga beza kimi, ilokwathi inhlo bekukhona inyanga, kukhona umthakathi. Umthakathi yilo okufaka ububi. Inyanga yilo okhipha ububi obufakiwe khona. Zibuza ukuthi abantu abeza kimi abanjani? Abafuna ukubulala abantu noma abafuna ukuzothula inkinga? Abaphila ukwamiza umuntu ethi ngibuye kunala mina wangipha amandla okuyoshaya izitha zami ngabulala abantu. No. Kanti futhi njengomuntu ophiwa amandla ngingakwazi ukuthi izitha zakho ngiyibulala. Mina bakhona abantu engibabulalile abangihluphayo. yebo ngingakwazi uma uza kimi wena uthi umfazi wakho uyamsola ukuthi uya kulokhuza ngingakwazi ukwenzela ukuthi umfazi wakho umbambe ngeke uphiwe amandla okuphilisa ungaphiwe amandla okubulala
Yo.
I-defense is not only passive, it's offensive sometimes. Angithi uze umuntu mayibulela umuntu kuthiwa ubenzani beyivikela. So uma umuntu ethi ngumthakathi mina ngimbuka kabili. Umuntu othi ngumthakathi kusho ukuthi khona la bengigadla khona kabi. Isikhona sabuya nomkhwezeli. Meaning ukuthi mawuthi uyangigwadla kukhona abantu mina abafakazile bathi hey unalo ufike wasishaya ukuthi mina ngikhuluma ngerecord angikhulumi ngento engekho eyami ama testimony lokho kuthiwa empirical knowledge because sikhuluma ngento ekuyidata njengamanje ekhona you thousands of them ukuthi lo muntu ushawe isitha sami noma athi ngiqhamukile ngamshaya mina ngilalele kwami njalo yindaba ngikushaye wena ubuganga so uma ubona umuntu sengabatshela abantu bami ngathi uma ubona umuntu why abantu abakhonza la ekhaya kuthiwa abathakathi because abanye babo bathi bayafika izitha bathi ufike ukhona indoda egqoka isudu emhlophe leyo ndoda mabethi bayibheka ifana nonala bese beyitshela ukuthi unalo uyathakatha ngoba uhamba ebusuku ngoba wazi ukuthi umthathu uhamba ebusuku kanti imina vele ngilapha ngizovikela umuntu wami lobuzoganga kungibiza ungatatazeli somuntu kufana nomuntu othi ngithwele mina ngiyazi abantu abamnyama uthi ngithwele sekukhona amakhosi ezekimi emva kobe ngithe ngithwele kwakhona abefundisa bezakimi bezofuna lamandla bakhokha imali zangempela abantu abamnyama bayi mase bene serious case beza kuthina abaya emasontweni
I hope afika uDube. Eshabuka kakhulu.
uDube umngani wami ukuthi nje lapha bedlala kuyishwaba visa uDube umngani wami waxolisa abantu on the honest note we circle our matter noDube
nami ngimkhonze ngabo umfundi
now bishop wambandla
ngimkhonze ngabo umkhonzi ngicabanga ukuthi next time sizophinde simzame
ukuthi nje bayasiqhatha njalo noDube abantu kuloko befuna ukusikhulumisa kanti uDube phela yena usafunda itheology.
Yeah.
How do you mina ngicreate eyami philosophy ne-ideology yami yempilo? Umuntu ofunda itheory ufunda idoctrine indlela yokufundisa kwabanye abantu yokukhanyisa iphilosophy yomunye umuntu akazi lutho lo muntu.
Asiyombuza noDube azibeyiphendulela sithi thina sikunika i-right to reply. Enye into engicabanga ukuthi asiyithintanga i-role kaSathane kuyo yonke lento yabona mhlambe sisazofika isibonane futhi King Somnala sikhulume naye
i-role kaSathane wayazi ukuthi uSathane
yonke lento uyisikhathini
yabona nje ngiyamdabuyela mina uSathane nkosami ngoba ngeke ngibona ukuthi kudlalwe ngayo
ake ngithi nje sizo-organize nomanjomane futhi mhlawumbe sibone ukuthi sihlanganisa kanjani inkulumo ngiyazi akulula ukuthola uKing Somnala ngenxa yokuba busy ukuphilisa abantu kufanele abuye ahlangane futhi afundise and all that stuff ubusy as a result sizozama ukulenza kodwa uhlelo ngoba isikhathi kumele sibe khona.
Mtaka Plus you have to be a man of truth ukuze uthengibize la othandayo abantu ukuthi sibaxukuze nje mina my whole purpose ukuxukuza abantu and create and move them to have a critical thinking mentality. Critical thinking it okay usukhola usungumnala akumphendule lonala ubhekise ngapha umbhekise phansi umbhekise phezulu umgxeke ungamgxeki ngoba ufuna ukumlahla ubusubona ukuthi kuphi lapho thakathaka khona ungasizakala kukuphi kunala uyabona mina njengonala nginobubi bami mina nami futhi ngiyazazi nginobuhle bami futhi engingabuthandazeli engingabicela kumuntu engiyibona nje
uyayilandela iPirates
ngilandela iPirates mama
okay
mangithola isikhathi ngisupport iChiefs
hayi usupport iqembu langempela so udle ema-restaurant or uyaphekelwa ekhaya
angidle ema-restaurant ngaphandle ke mangilambile ngihlupheka futhi ngeke ngibone e-restaurant ngisho ngihambile
bowuflya
ukungibonephi nje uhlangane nami
angikhumbuli bowuflya business class or uyangena lapha uphelele
depend ukuthi iphayithi lami kanani but ngokujwayelekile i-business class so mamhlongo yakavume nje ngene
so bebe-invite abaku-invite uyohlala kuma-suits be-groundini noma uhlala nabantu lapha
ngivata
let's say u-invite wayey'khulu zebhola nje ethize
hayibo ibhola labantu abanesizungu ibhola nje uma ubona umuntu esebholeni ngaphandle ama-politician uyofuna amavoti mina ngifuna amavoti mina ngidila nabantu abanama-serious
yazi
issues.
kuze ukhetho ngiyazi open minded ubona ukuthi abantu bavotele liphi
i-MK
don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please take pictures.